Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we were discussing the question and answers of the lesson, that is clothes. And let me revise the everything first. So, first one, what are the cotton clothes? Yes, the clothes that we wear in the summer season, we called cotton clothes. Is it? So, and how is the cotton clothes? Cotton clothes are very light. Those are the very light weighted, and also they absorb the sweat very easily. That's because we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. And next, what are the woolen clothes? And when we wear these clothes, we wear the woolen clothes in the winter season. And woolen clothes are very warm. They keep our body warm. That's because we wear woolen clothes in the winter season. Okay. So do you have any idea how do we get cotton? We get cotton from the cotton plant. Okay. And we get wool from the hair of the sheep. Okay. So we have in the previous class we have discussed some of the questions of this lesson, like fill in the blanks we have discussed. And next, that's the only thing that we have discussed in the previous class. Today we are going to discuss rearrange the letters in proper order to form the names of pieces of clothing. That is present in the page number 127. So, open the page number 127 and take a pencil in your hand. We are going to answer all of these questions. Okay. So, whatever I am going to write today on the board, write it in your textbook as well as in the notebook also. Okay. So first one, what is told, rearrange the letters in proper order to form the names of the pieces of clothing. They have given some words. They have given some of the words which are scrambled. You have to unscramble them to find the answer. Okay. So let's see what are those questions. First one is that ROFKC, and the second one is OCTA, third one is RHSTI, and the fourth one is CSKOS. See, ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅವರು, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ FROCK. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅದಾವು ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್, ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಟ್. COAT. Is it coat? Okay. Otherwise you can write in the capital letters also. Okay. That will be okay. Write in capital letters also. See, first one is frock. FROCK, frock. And the next one is the coat. That is COAT. Okay. So third one is the shirt. It is a shirt. 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 Is it SHIRT? Okay. Now the last one is socks. It is socks. 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 Okay. So first answer is frock. Next one is COAT, coat. Third one is SHIRT, shirt. And the last one is SOCKS, socks. Okay. So these are the correct answers. After this, downside they have asked 4 questions. 4 questions are there. Do one thing, make a headline in your notebook, because if you want to write the answers in the textbook, there is no place illa. So ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ವೈ ಡೂ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್? Okay, because I am going to write the answers on the board. Okay, copy the answers from the board, write the questions from the textbook. Write down the first question, why do we need clothes? Okay, I will write the answers. First one, see. So why do we need clothes? We need clothes. We need clothes to wear and to protect our body. To protect our body. Okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. Now the second question, write down the second question. What is that? Why is it important to take good care of clothes? Why it is very important to take care of our clothes? Write down. We should take care of our clothes. Take care of our clothes. Because those are very important. Those are very important. These are very important. Okay? These are very important to wear. To wear them. Okay, we should take care of our clothes because those are very important to wear. Okay, so ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವೇನದಾವು ಭಾಳ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. ನೌ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್? ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? It is the third one. The clothes that we wear in summer called cotton clothes. The clothes that we wear in the summer season are called as cotton clothes. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, now the fourth one, what are the woolen clothes? Obviously the clothes that we wear in the winter season are called as woolen clothes. Write down. It is the last question. That is the fourth one. The clothes that we wear in winter called which clothes? Woolen clothes. ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? woolen clothes ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, that's it for today. First one, why do we need clothes? We need clothes to wear and to protect our body. And why it is important to take good care of clothes? We should take care of our clothes because those are very important to wear them. Okay, next, what are the cotton clothes? the clothes that we wear in the summer season are called as cotton clothes, and what are the woolen clothes? The clothes that we wear in the winter season are called as woolen clothes. Okay, write down in the notebook. And after this, you can see some of the pictures are here. You can see some different types of clothes are there, and one car is there. In that car, two friends are there. Who is that? Rahul and Tia. Yes, Rahul and Tia. What they are doing? They are sitting in a car and they are going somewhere. Where they are going? They are going Shimla. They are going Shimla. So, do you know the climatic condition? Do you know what is the climatic condition of this Shimla? Yes, it is extremely cold. Shimla climate ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ಬಹಳ ಥಂಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ, ವಿಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ? ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್. ಟಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ Rahul are going to Shimla. So which kind of clothes they should carry with them? You should carry those clothes. You should circle those what clothes. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. It means page number 128. Open it. What you will do? Paste samples of cotton and woolen fabrics in the space given below. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎದ್ರ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್? ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? ಕಾಟನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಉಲನ್. ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾಟನ್ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉಲನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಟನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಉಲನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ this is enough for this SEM. Actually, for lesson number 8, lesson number 9 and lesson number 10 is there still. But for this SEM, we will stop the syllabus for here. Okay, we have how many lessons we have completed? We have completed 7 lessons. Lesson number 1 about myself, lesson number 2 my body parts, lesson number 3 my family, lesson number 4 my school, lesson number 5 festivals and celebrations, lesson number 6 food, and this is the lesson number 7 about clothes. Okay, so you 7 lessons elle bartava, exam ಗೆ bartava. We will give you the questions on the basis of these 7 questions. Lesson number 8, lesson number 9, lesson number 10 I will teach you in the next SEM. Okay, so lesson number 8, 9, 10 ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಮುಗೀತು. Okay, so in the next class we will start the revision. In the next class we will start the revision from the lesson number 1 to 7. Okay, so be ready for that and complete your fair. From lesson number 1 to lesson number 7, everything should be in your notebook and in your test book as well. Okay, so if you have any doubts, just clarify. Okay, just call me and clarify your doubts and read all these lessons regularly. Exam will conduct soon. So yes, so I will start the revision in the next class. Okay, thank you.